Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, detailed reviews from someone who spent years in the beauty industry. Today, we're taking a closer look at a men's grooming tool that's all about precision, comfort, and versatility. The Philips Norelco All-in-One 3000 Series 13-in-1 Trimmer, Beard Styler, and Men's Hair Clipper, model MG3919/50. This multifunctional trimmer aims to be the all-in-one solution for beard, head, nose, and ear grooming. It offers a comprehensive range of features designed to cater to various styling needs. With 13 attachments and 9 length settings, this tool promises to deliver everything from a clean stubble look to a full beard. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The Philips Norelco MG3919/50 comes with a set of features designed to make grooming as comfortable and efficient as possible. First up, the skin-friendly comfort blades. These blades are designed with rounded tips, which makes them gentle on the skin as you trim. This is a big deal for those who experience irritation or discomfort from other trimmers. The blades are self-sharpening, which means you don't have to worry about dulling over time. No oiling, no maintenance, just consistent performance. The versatility of the product is evident in its 13-in-1 functionality. It includes attachments for the beard, head, nose, and ears, so you can tackle all your grooming needs with one device. The 9 length settings, ranging from 0.5mm to 16mm, allow for a variety of styles, from that clean, fresh stubble look to a fuller, long beard. Whether you're just keeping things neat or going for a more sculpted style, this trimmer seems to have you covered. Another aspect worth mentioning is the ergonomic handle. The trimmer is easy to hold, making it comfortable to maneuver even in tricky areas, like around your ears or along your jawline. For those who've experienced discomfort with bulky or poorly balanced tools, this feature provides real relief. Now, on to performance. The trimmer runs for up to 60 minutes on a single charge, which is ideal for most grooming sessions. The battery indicator light is a simple but thoughtful touch, letting you know when it's time to charge. One thing to note, though, this trimmer charges via USB-A cable, but there's no wall adapter included. Depending on your setup, this could be a minor inconvenience. As for cleaning, the trimmer's rinsable blades and combs make maintenance easy. Simply rinse the attachments after use, and you're done. This eliminates the need for excessive cleaning tools or deep maintenance. So, what are the pros and cons? Pros: self-sharpening blades that stay sharp with no oiling required. 13 attachments for versatile grooming: beard, head, nose, and ears. Ergonomic handle for better control and comfort. Rinsable blades and combs for easy cleaning. 60-minute battery life with a clear indicator light for charging. Cons: no wall adapter included, which could be a downside for some users. A bit bulky for those who prefer a more compact trimmer. As for the price, it's quite reasonable when you consider the fact that you're getting 13 attachments and versatile performance. The quality of the blades and the fact that it doesn't require constant maintenance really set this product apart from other trimmers in the same range. For the average user, it's a great deal, especially considering the range of styles you can achieve. In comparison to similar products, the Philips Norelco 3000 series offers a solid balance of affordability and functionality. While there are more premium trimmers on the market with additional features like Bluetooth connectivity or a more advanced motor, this model provides exactly what you need for regular grooming without the high price tag. In terms of build quality, the Norelco MG3919/50 feels solid in hand. It's not flimsy, but it also isn't overly heavy, making it easy to maneuver. Over time, the self-sharpening blades and ergonomic design contribute to its durability and long-lasting use. I haven't had any direct experience with Philips' customer support for this product, but based on the brand's general reputation, they are known for responsive service and support, especially for product inquiries or issues related to warranty. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative that offers similar value, the Remington MB4045B is worth checking out. It offers a similar multifunction design at a slightly lower price, though it may not come with the same high-quality self-sharpening blades. To wrap things up, the Philips Norelco All-in-One 3000 Series 13-in-1 trimmer delivers on its promises. The skin-friendly blades, ergonomic design, and impressive battery life make it a great choice for men looking for a reliable, easy-to-use grooming tool. If you're someone who values convenience and versatility without breaking the bank, this trimmer could be a perfect fit. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.